Have you ever heard the word blockchain and thought, okay, everyone talks about it, but what is it actually? Some people say it's about Bitcoin. Some say it's the future of money. Others say it's super complicated. But here's the truth. Blockchain is way simpler than it sounds. And in this video, I'm going to explain blockchain so simply that even a kid could understand it. No big words, no confusion, just simple ideas with simple drawings. Let's paint technology together. What is blockchain? Blockchain is basically a shared notebook. Yes, a notebook. Imagine a notebook where people write information, but here's the special part. Everyone has a copy of this notebook, and no one can secretly erase a page. That's blockchain. Now let's break that down. A simple example. Imagine you and your friends are playing a game. You want to keep track of points. So instead of one person keeping the score, everyone writes the score in their own notebook. Every time someone scores, everyone writes it down, everyone sees it, everyone agrees. If one person tries to cheat and change the score, everyone else will say, hey, that's not what we wrote. So cheating becomes almost impossible. That's exactly how blockchain works. What is a block? Now, let's talk about the word block. A block is just a small box of information. Each block can contain things like transactions, data, records. For example, Alex sent 5 coins to Sam. That information goes into a block. When the block is full, it gets closed, and then a new block starts. Why is it called a chain? Here's the cool part. Each block is connected to the previous block, like a chain. Block 1 to block 2 to block 3 to block 4. Each block knows what was in the block before it. So if someone tries to change an old block, it breaks the entire chain. Everyone notices. That's why it's called blockchain. Blocks plus chain equals blockchain. Why is blockchain secure? People always say blockchain is very secure, but why? 3 simple reasons. 1, everyone has a copy. There's no single boss computer. Thousands of computers have the same information. 2, you can't secretly change things. If you change one copy, it won't match the others. 3, the chain protects itself. Changing one block means changing all blocks after it. That's almost impossible. So, blockchain doesn't need a police officer. It protects itself.
Blockchain versus normal databases. Let's compare. Normal database. One company controls it. One server stores data. Can be changed quietly. Blockchain, no single owner. Data is shared. Changes are visible. Think of it like this. A normal database is like one teacher holding the answer sheet. Blockchain is like everyone having the same answer sheet. What does blockchain have to do with Bitcoin? Now let's answer the big question. Is blockchain Bitcoin? No. Bitcoin uses blockchain. Bitcoin is an app. Blockchain is the technology. It's like this. Email uses the internet. Bitcoin uses blockchain. Blockchain existed so Bitcoin could exist, but blockchain can be used for many other things. Real-life uses of blockchain. Blockchain is not just about money. Here are some real uses. Voting. Votes stored on blockchain can't be changed or deleted. Medical records. Doctors can safely share data without leaks. Supply chains. You can track where products come from. Smart contracts. Agreements that run automatically without lawyers. Blockchain is about trust without middlemen. Why people get confused. Blockchain sounds complicated because people explain it badly. They use big words, technical terms, long explanations. But at its core, blockchain is just shared information, locked in blocks, linked together. That's it. Imagine a magic notebook. Everyone has it. No one controls it. No one can erase pages. Every time something happens, it gets written down forever. That magic notebook is blockchain. If this explanation made blockchain finally make sense, like the video, subscribe to Tech Painted, and comment what technology you want painted next, because here we turn hard tech into simple ideas. See you in the next video.